Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trade with a smooth, simple strategy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This my first trade for the day. Alright, so the reason why I took this, as you guys can see, right, we have been oversold on the stochastic oscillator and the MACD is also oversold. Alright, so that's what I'm looking at right now. And yes guys, I have a pro tip for my loyal subscribers, so stay tuned. Yeah, this trade is pretty amazing because I saw the 3 bar going up also. Guys, the main thing in trading is you need to combine reasons, because remember, this is the game of probability. All right, you can't just rely on one single indicator. It's not gonna work. You understand? Because nothing is perfect, and when you use one stuff, your win rate will be very low. All right, let's find our next trade and I will explain everything in details. All right, I'm going to take this trade right here. The reason why I took this trade, I saw that the sellers entered on this candle, right, and they came so far and the price rejected. But in the lower time frame, candles are here, okay, and they are telling a story. So the main thing though why I took this trade, we're coming from oversold area, MACD cross, and I could see the price rejected from the moving average, I should say. And remember that moving average plays a support and resistance role. It's basically dynamic moving average. It's not static, it doesn't stay in one place forever. It moves around, similar to trend lines, okay? But moving averages are more dynamic, support and resistance. It moves with the price. All right, so we can use it to our advantage also. All right, beautiful. All right, this is the pro tip, guys. All right, always pay attention to MACD, right? You notice the MACD is below these candles, right? That means when it crosses, it have a stronger win rate. All right, if the MACD is above the candles and it tries to cross up, it probably work, but you might lose a lot of trades. It's best when you're going higher, it's below the candle. You're going lower, it's be above the candle. For instance, let me show you. We are going up, right? We are looking for it to be below the candles, right? We're going down, we're looking for it to be above, right? See, the moving averages are above the candles. You see, the price went down. See that? All right, so that's a pro tip for today's session, right? Nice. Okay, I like how the moving average is moving. As you guys can see, the price break the moving average and it breaks it back. So I'm expecting the price to go down for at least 2 minutes, 2 candles to 3 candles, right? But the main thing that catch my eye was the stochastic oscillator. It crosses for a very good while, but it finally breaks the oversold level and come down. So I was like, yes, whenever your stochastic oscillator go over, so like over the line and then crosses in back, it's very strong versus when it's inside. Okay, just thought you should know that, guys. Let's wait for this one to close. Magnificent. Nice. All right, I saw a exhaustion candle here, and usually when you see exhaustion candles, it's showing that the price wants to go even further, because the sellers were playing around this area. As you see, the candles were very small, right? And this candle become very huge. It's telling me that they develop momentum and all of the strength was in this candle right here. Okay, and they push forward and then created this red candle, and based on what I'm seeing, this red candle is a continuation sign. So I know for sure this trade is a short shot. Yeah, I'm not gonna lose this. I bet anything on that. Yeah, this trade is beautiful. And guys, you need to pay attention when you're trading. Pay attention to candles. You need to understand candlestick psychology to trade effectively. You need to. It's a must. These are the settings for the indicator. Stochastic. I'm gonna put this one at 4, 6. This one. I'm gonna leave the color as it is. Okay. It's up to you if you want to change your colors. For the next indicator, it's gonna be MACD, my favorite out of all indicators. Okay, so we're gonna change this to 8. No, we're gonna keep that. Change this to 19. Yeah. Oh, let me adjust the thickness. Alright. Final indicator gonna be moving average. Settings 21. Make sure to keep this on SMA. Alright, change the colors to white, 3 pixel. Alright, so I'm going to look for some trading opportunities. Then I will explain everything in detail. Alright, I took this one based on candlestick psychology and the MACD cross also, and we are below the candles of the MACD. The stochastic is not so very helpful in this one, but as I said, I saw that this is a continuation sign, and usually when there's continuation signs, the market will continue in its preferred direction. Okay, and there we go, another continuation sign plus a gap up. Yes, I'm pretty sure about this trade. It's gonna go higher. Plus, we are with the momentum. We are above the moving average. And this is how you trade, guys. You have to combine everything you know. You have to just combine everything you know in that one trade and just put your money on it. Simple. Just combine everything you know. But the thing is, you need to understand candlestick psychology and all those stuff also. Right, I'm gonna take this. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. This is one of the highest win rate possible you can find with MACD and stochastic oscillator. I'm gonna show you. As you notice, the price is coming from oversold area, right? We cross on the MACD and we're above the candles, and you see that the MACD created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. This shows us the momentum is very, very strong. Then we have a ABC. Okay, we have a 3-bar down, and yeah, that's enough reason. That's all we trade, guys. That's all we trade. But the thing is, you still need to understand candlestick psychology and these type of stuff to know when to enter. That's a problem. You could use the strategy, but you still need to know when to enter. Alright, this has been the first time since the stochastic oscillator has move from the oversold area, you realize that we have been above the oversold area for a very, very long while, right? Now, this has been the first time it has crossed very strongly. So I'm confident that this trade will continue. Plus, there's a momentum, plus MACD cross, plus there's 4 candles on the MACD, and all these reasons I combine them together, and voila, this is how I trade, guys. You just have to combine the right reasons. All right, that's it. That's it. People make it seem harder than it is. I mean, if you have the right knowledge, it becomes very easy and you become more confident. I think that's a problem. A lot of persons, they might not be confident because they're not sure if their knowledge is right or wrong. Taking this, as you guys can see again, there's a momentum, right? The MACD has a momentum, it crosses, plus the stochastic oscillator is oversold and it crossed also, okay? Plus we have been above the moving average for a very long while, okay? So therefore, whenever we cross the moving average after such a long uptrend, yeah, more likely we will continue down, especially if we have given a momentum before it cross. Yes, this means that strong sellers has crossed the moving average, and as I said before previously, moving averages are dynamic support and resistance. You realize it's supporting the price right here, and it breaks. So now I know that there is a shift in market sentiment. Then I combine this stochastic oscillator with the MACD and the MACD candles and the momentum and the continuation candle and all those stuff. And guys, if you want to learn all of these things, you can join my mentorship, guys. I talk about all the stuff you need to look for in order to be profitable. If you're very serious about your career in trading, because trading is a career, people just look at it as gambling, but it is a career, right? If you're very serious and you want to learn the right things, to combine the right things, contact me on Telegram, guys. Yeah, this will be the end of the video. Peace out.